Yeah, I started in Kuraray on February 14th on Valentine's Day, so it was like my first date with Kuraray. The best part about working at Kuraray is the co-workers. We're like family basically, and we all motivate each other like to get the job done, you know. I just like the material we work. That's basically what I like. Like the material that we make is, I know it's like for safety for storms and stuff. So you come in, it's like you start at 7:45 and you get off like 8 o'clock. So some days you'll have day shift and sometimes you have night shift. So it's like swing shifts. The rotation, it was kind of hard at first, but you know, once you get used to it, it's pretty steady as long as you learn how to like work around the clock. It's a great job to work. I mean, you wouldn't know until you like see it for yourself.